New charging infrastructure is being installed all over the world. These systems need small footprint interconnects with the ability to reliably pass power. Samtec has a long history of developing products for these types of applications. Our proven technology is used in our discrete wire, traditional flex stack, and Tiger Eye systems, which offer 3 points of contact while handling power and digital signals. Our new M-Power line of micro-power interconnects offer the most rugged system for charging station environments. Partner with Samtec during the design phase, and our engineering experts will help you optimize your design for signal integrity and thermal management. Select rugged features and customize as necessary to create the fast and efficient on-demand charging solution you're looking for.